general business software where it falls short. We talk to tons of customers that are using what I call hobbled together technology pieces. They use QuickBooks for accounting. They use Monday CRM for their pipeline management. They use Excel spreadsheets or Trello or MeisterTask kind of manage their projects. And guess what? None of those things are built for the sign industry. It's all fun and games until you have to quote something. You quote a electrical sign completely different than you do a yard sign versus a vehicle wrap versus a banner versus, ADA laser, all the different crazy things that we're doing in sign shops. And so quoting is definitely the one thing where these generic platforms really fall, short, and they're not communicating with each other. So everything's out on its own little island, and none of this stuff is communicating with each other. So independently, they do a good job, but collectively, it's a pretty big step back when things aren't talking.
Harder to manage it, right? And
Yeah.
to train people and all that stuff. So the simpler you can keep it, obviously, the better.